Hi everyone and welcome back to DevPortal. In the third lecture of our series on control flow statements in Java, we are going to cover loops in detail. We will start with while loop, then move on for loops and finally on do while loops. Let's jump right in. Loops allow us to execute a block of code multiple times. They are essential for tasks that requires repetition. Let's start with the while loop today. The while loop is useful when we want to repeat a block of code as long as a condition is true. Here is the basic syntax for the while loop. We need to write while keyword and under brackets we need to type our condition, and then inside curly brackets condition, and inside curly brackets we need to mention code to be executed. So this is the basic syntax of the while loop. Now let me create a small program for you which will help you to understand how while loops work in Java. Let me create one variable of name int and I will assign a value 0 to it, and I will type while, and inside my bracket my terminating condition will come. I want to run this loop until I is less than 5, and my code to be executed will be sysout statement. Inside sysout I will just print the value of I, and I will increase the value of I by 1. Let me save this code for you and run. So in this example the loop runs as long as I is less than 5. During each iteration I is printed and then incremented by 1. This loop will print the value from 0 to 4. A common use case for while loop is reading data until a certain condition is met. For instance, reading user input until a user enter a specific value. Remember one thing, while writing while loop we need to mention a terminating condition. So here terminating condition is I less than 5. So to come to this condition I have mentioned I increase by 1, means I plus equal to 1. Suppose if I forgot to write this line, then this while loop will become non-terminating and it will continuously print the value of I as 0. You can see in the console. This you should not do in your programming because it will consume your CPU RAM and memory as well. In the end your program will get crashed. So remember, while executing while loops you need to write your starting value of int equal to I, which I have written. Then you need to focus on the terminating condition and you have to mention how you will reach to that point of that terminating condition, which is I plus equal to 1. So continuously this program is printing the value of I as 0. Now I have to forcefully terminate this program. So these are the basic things we need to remember while executing while loop. I plus equal to 1, that depends on the business logic which I want to achieve. It may be I plus equal to 2, that somebody asks you just need to print the even numbers until I reaches 5. So I will increase I by 2, and if I print this program, if I execute this program again, it will print I equal to 0, I equal to 2, I equal to 4. So conditions will vary according to what you want to achieve from your program. So this is how while loop executes in Java. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.